Dumelang landlord, this is your tenant Disebo D. Welcome to my YouTube channel. Please do like, share and subscribe. And if you have anything to say, anything at all, please do drop a comment. I would really like to hear from you. My landlord's Isiphetho the Destiny, right? I don't know how you guys are feeling about this. It's been a while also since I watched this one, right? But there was a recap for the week that happened, right? Eti Zanemvula wants to prepare for Connie's Thanksgiving after supposedly saving her life, whilst coming angry church women on the other end. Sihle and Lotto's bond intensify. Meanwhile, Mkapeni struggles to get Nkele and Pule together. And I went to the comments because I was like, okay, who's still watching Smoke and not Smoke and Mirrors? It's Pet, right? And the comments were the first one by Bola Abiola. What is the storyline exactly? That's a good question. Number 2, Kazi says this is boring now. Certified Ngoza says no. Vuyokazi Mahinso is saying angavumo unkele kodwa isiZulu sinalompetha bazalwane yona ke motswana sinalo thaba and esithabile sithaba kuri sithaba kaneti, right? And then now the only thing that also made me do this video is that I am lost with the storyline, guys. I am lost. I don't know ukuthi siya phambili, angazi ukuthi siya emuva, right? And when Isiphetho started, I was so excited because it looked like the storyline was behind a group of young children who were playing, and they end up playing with fire, and in that fire the house burnt down, burning an adult in the house. And as much as they were children then, as they grew older, it started haunting them and they started thinking about it. And when they reunited, when they were reunited by life in their different circumstances, they were then able to discuss uguti what's happening. But the reason why I stopped watching is because it was centered around everybody at the same time, and it plays for only 30 minutes. So one gets confused. Okay, fine, manje sekwenzakalani. And as much as I love uSindi Dlathu no Baba Mthweni, I was like, no man, this storyline for me is not make sure. And I think them bringing uSindi Dlathu no Baba Mthweni in the mix, they thought it's just going to push the ratings and stuff. But me now where I'm standing, guys, the storyline is not make sure. The storyline is not make sure. I think they should revisit it and then see, because they want to bombard us with a lot of characters all at once, all being the center of attention. I don't know why they can't do it like Skim Sam, give one person per attention per period. I don't know if that makes sense what I'm saying. But yeah, let me know what you think about Isiphetho. Please do like, share and subscribe. Thank you for watching. I love you. Peace. Bye.